Hello friends, in this video we will discuss a JEE question which came in 2015. This problem is based on screw gauge measurements and propagation of error. Here is the question. It says density of a solid ball is to be determined in an experiment and diameter of the ball is measured with a screw gauge. So in this problem, screw gauge is used to measure the diameter of the ball, and readings of screw gauge given here, like pitch is given, and the number of divisions, total number of divisions on circular scale given, reading on the main scale is given, and also reading on the circular scale given. So using these readings we can find the diameter of the ball, and then it is given that percentage error in the mass. So problem asks for percentage error in the density. So what we are going to do here, first of all we will find the diameter of the ball. So for that we need to find the least count of the screw gauge. So our step 1 would be finding least count. Least count equals pitch over total number of divisions on circular scale. Pitch is given as 0.5 millimeter and total number of divisions are 50. That will give us 0.01 millimeter. So this is the least count of screw gauge. Now step 2, we will use the formula for final reading and find the diameter. So our formula is final reading equals main scale reading plus circular scale division times least count. Here this circular scale division is the coinciding circular scale division. So the main scale reading is given is 2.5 millimeter and circular scale division is given 20 divisions. So plug in 2.5 plus 20 times least count is 0.01 millimeter. This will give us 2.5 plus 0.20, that equals 2.7 millimeter. So this is the final reading from the screw gauge. So we were finding diameter of the ball from the screw gauge. So it's actually the diameter of the ball. We can denote diameter as a D here. Now we have to find percentage error in the density. So we will use the formula of density. So you know density equals mass over volume. So let's put these things in the symbol so that would be easier for us. So density we are using rho, and for mass we are using m, and for the volume, actually volume is not given here, we have the diameter of the ball. So we need to put the formula of volume in the terms of diameter. We are finding density of a solid ball, so we need to put the volume of the ball, and you know volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula of ball is like a sphere. So for volume of the ball we will use the volume of the sphere formula. We need to put this radius in the terms of diameter. So mass over 4 over 3 pi, radius equals diameter by 2, d by 2 to the whole cube. And now we will write the error formula using this equation. So please watch the propagation of error part 1 to part 3 to understand this error formula. So here for rho we will write delta rho over rho equals, for m we will write delta m over m, and here 4 up by 3 pi and 2, these terms are constant and constants don't have errors. So we will not write anything for these terms, only d is the variable. So for this we will write delta d over d. You can see d is cubed here, so the power will come in here, multiplication. Now you can see we have to find the percentage error in the density. That means we have to multiply the whole formula by 100. Each term should be multiplied by 100. Now this whole term will become percentage error in rho, and this whole term will become percentage error in mass. Percentage error in diameter is not given, so I will put this thing as it is. Percentage error in mass is given 2%, so plug in here 2% plus 3 times delta D is the error in diameter, and error in diameter means error is like least count, resolution, deviation, variation, uncertainty, all are the errors. So delta D is the error in diameter, so we will put here the value of least count. We got value of least count 0.01 millimeter. So 0.01 millimeter times 100 divided by, this is the actual value of diameter, and we found it 2.7 millimeter. So 2.7 millimeter here. This will give us 2% plus 1.11. That will give us 3.11 percentage. So we got percentage error in density equals 3.11 percentage. Choice C is 3.1%, which is the correct option. I hope you understand the concept and solution of this problem. Here is the question of the day. I made a similar problem for you. Solve it to see if you get right answer. Answer is given in description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like for daily updates. Thank you.